In this video I am going to show how to make a Premiere video in YouTube. Actually this is so easy and everyone can make this Premiere, because for this Premiere no need 1000 subscriber, no need more views. So guys, let's see how to make the Premiere video in YouTube.
So guys, to get new videos, subscribe our channel and press notification bell icon and stay with our channel. From here we can select scheduled, then select videos, which one we want to do Premiere. Files, the recent video. So now I want to make Premiere scheduled. Today is December 7. I want to make it 7. Today 9 PM. So guys, I have write already description, and have also now I want to premiere this video. Okay, premiere on Friday today, December this month, date of 7 today. Okay. Later this will upload. Custom thumbnail not here, so I will select that custom thumbnail.